Okay, here we have example 4. It says 8s minus 10 equals 3 parentheses 6 minus 2s. The first thing I see is this parentheses, and I know I'm going to have to distribute that 3. So when we do that, 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times negative 2s gives us a negative 6s. That 3 times negative 2 is that negative 6. The left-hand side does not change, so we'll leave that be for now. Next, we're going to start shifting things around. So we're going to add some things. We might have to subtract some things. Our goal, again, is to get s on one side and our numbers on the other. So this time I am going to change things up. I'm going to subtract that 8s to both sides, just to show you what this looks like. And so when we do that, on the left-hand side, the 8s cancels out. And we bring down everything else. We have negative 10 equals 18. And then negative 6 minus 18 gives us negative 14s. Okay. And then to get s by itself, we need to move the 18 to the other side. So we're going to do that by subtraction since it's a positive 18. The 18s cancel out. Negative 10 minus 18 gives us a negative 28. Again, you can always double check this with your calculator. And equals negative 14s. We're going to divide by negative 14, divide by negative 14 to get rid of that. And then negative 28 divided by negative 14, negative divided by a negative is a positive 2. So 2 is equal to s, or s is equal to 2. And that is our final answer for that one. Okay. Moving to our next example. Here we have 3 parentheses 3x minus 2 equals 2 parentheses 3x plus 3. So we have double-sided parentheses, so we have to distribute twice. So we're going to distribute on the left-hand side and distribute on the right-hand side. 3 times 3x gives us 9x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And then we have 2 times 3x gives us 6x. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So when we go to move things around, I am going to subtract that 6x, subtract that 6x. 9x minus 6x gives us 3x. And if you'd like, you are welcome to go ahead and do the other movement as well. So I'm going to add 6 and add 6. The negative 6 and positive 6 cancel out. And we are left with 6 plus 6 is 12. If you would like to do that as 2 separate steps, that's completely fine. The more, like I said, the more you do it, the more likely you do those steps at the same time. We're going to divide that 3 to get x by itself. X is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And all of those examples that say you try, you need to attempt those first. Then you can go back and check a copy of the notes if you'd like to see if you have them correct. Okay. And our last one here says 2x equals 2 parentheses. So we've got to distribute negative 3 or minus 3. So we have 2x on the left, on the right-hand side, 2x minus 6. And when we go to subtract, we take that 2x and subtract it, minus 2x minus 2x. Oh my goodness. 2x minus 2x is 0 equals negative 6. This cannot happen. And so this is truly a no solution situation. And that's okay. Some of our questions might have a no solution as the answer.